Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and I speak to Dr. Abdul Muhaimin and my fellow classmates out there. So we are from Group F. We will present about our project, which is Entrepreneurship Workshop. So my name is Musfira binti Mahmudin. My metric number is 198591.
My name is Kavita and my matrix number is 197342.
My name is Abimanyu Mauliadi and my matrix number is 199742. Oh, God.
Your IDD service has not been set up yet. Please call 1318.
What cannot?
Another of our group member is Anika Rizki Aditomo with a metric number 200168. So Abi, can you switch the screen? Okay, so after discussing with our groups, I could conclude that there are 4 major risks for our workshop. I will explain briefly that we are currently suffering from MCO or COVID-19 issues worldwide. So there are one of the major risks for this event is for this project is MCO. Second, audio visual equipment failure. Third, budget, and fourth, finding the right venue. Okay. So no, switch back.
Huh? Oh.
I already start presenting. Okay.
First, second slide.
Okay. So for MCO, we all know that everyone have to maintain their social distance, and so that is one of the risks that we have and difficulties that we have. And for our event, we can only allow certain amount of people in our venue. Next, for every audiovisual equipment failure, there are possibilities that our equipment will not function very well. Next, finding the right venue to fit all of our audience. And lastly, budget that is suitable for all. Okay, next. Abi, next. Abi, next. No, minor risk.
Minor.
Okay, for minor risks, all of the risks are correlate source from the from one only, which is audience engagement. Firstly, we need to find the right speaker, plan technology use, cater food, time management, and finding the right team. All of these risks are related to audience engagement, because if all of this is not catered properly, so it might cause our audience to be uninterested with our workshop. Okay, next.
Next, from the major and minor risks, we decided to came out with 3 types of responses. First is mitigating risk. We are going to reduce the risk that happen in our maintenance system and inspect the area. For example, we providing parking area facilities, and we going to book a hall that have enough space to avoid crowdedness, and we're going to reserve resources. For the second issue, for the second point, the safety issue, that's we are focusing on safety regarding facility safety, food safety and hygiene, and of course health precaution step, because due to the MCO recently, we are following health precaution steps. For example, scanning body temperature before entering the hall, they should wear face mask and apply sanitizer before entering the hall. Next slide. For the second response, avoiding risk. So by this, we are able to eliminate a risk before it happens. But for example, by managing utility service and technical maintenance, like avoid any mechanical defects. For example, installing high technology equipments. So from this way, we can avoid. And then, of course, we need a trained staff, well-trained staffs, and I experienced entrepreneurs to the project occur efficiency, and we have to select a right choice of food and beverages, because this is multiracial country, that we need to select a good menu for everyone, that everyone eligible to eat, and should be hygiene. And the last one is transferring risk. It is
Is it me or
Yeah. Oh,
Kavita?
okay. We move to the next slide. The first one, I want to talk about the contingency plan. The first one is following the SOP. Following the SOP. The first major risk is MCO. We can start still ongoing the project by following the standard operating procedure. The second one is prepare extra money, 10% from the budget of loan money. We can spare 10% out of the cost, out of our cost, unforeseen on unexpected expenses, or loan money. The third one is testing the equipment and provide the audio man. We can test the equipment right before the project started and make sure the audio man is always ready to handle if there any failure. The last one is if there are a problem with the venue availability, we can make at least a backup venue for us to relocate the project. That is the major risk. And the next one is the minor risk. Minor risk, the first one is make a list potential speakers that are available all the time. That means we can make the list of potential speaker that is available at the time, and they is the pro or the master in the entrepreneurship. The second one is prepare the quizzes and prizes Q&A session. It means it's to attract the audience. The third one is rearrange schedule or make a backup schedule. And the next one is assign the professional to take over the technology users. The fourth is find the nearby and compatible restaurant. And the last one is choose a suitable workshop time with the current situation. So we move to the next slides. Andika. Andika, I have a little bit connection problem.
I already got Andika. Kavita, I'm calling Andika right now. Okay, Andika, you can start.
Okay. Sorry guys, I have
okay, sorry.
but I will continue the presentation for contingent. First, my name is Andika Siritomo. My metric number is 200168. Okay, we have two workshop session. The first one is 10 a.m. until 12 p.m. And the second one is 1 p.m. until 3 p.m. And the entrepreneurship work ticket for 2% for 150 ringgit. And we also got sponsorship from another company. We got 2,500 ringgit. And for the place, we also rent a ballroom. The capacity of the ballroom is 100 until 200 guests. We rent for 7 hours. We got the price 1,000 ringgit. And we also hired 2 presenters. We got the price 500 ringgit. And we also use advertise and poster. We using WhatsApp, Instagram, and radio. And for this advertise and poster, we estimated the budget is 2,000 ringgit. And next is run audio visual equipment. This is like LCD projector, screen audio and microphone, video wall. We got 450 ringgit from the another company. And the following and our project following the SOP for the project providing hand sanitizer for all the participants or guests and having guests wear mask for safety when he attend the meeting. And the budget for hand sanitizer is 150 ringgit. Okay guys, thank you. That's all for us and thank you.
Okay, bye. Thank you. Okay, everyone.
Okay, thank you.